This is a Trim-tex archway bead. It's got perforations that allow it to bend and flex to hug the contour of any shape your little heart desires. And today, we're going to show you a really cool project using this archway bead. Trim-tex is spray adhesives, and as you can see, the archway bead is actually on the can. We didn't notice that until today. True story. Give it a few seconds to set up and get nice and tacky, and then I'll use that to hold the bead in place while I apply my staples. Time to get messy. Archway beads from Trim-tex. They're really something.